Matcha Scones. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make a tea snack with a little personal twist. Scones with the taste of matcha. I'm starting right off by preheating our oven up to 200 degrees Celsius. Then you mix flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, milk, heavy cream, egg, and matcha powder into a kitchen machine. Let your machine go until the dough is well combined. Meanwhile, sprinkle some flour on your working area. Take a little peek into the bowl and your dough should be well combined by now. So bring your dough out on the flour on your working area and flatten it out until it's about 2 cm thick. Then bring out your circle form or a cup or a glass and press out circles. Place all of them on a baking sheet covered in baking paper and bake them inside the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. These scones are super easy to make and it takes you a maximum of 20 minutes making them, including the cooking time. So if you like yourself some really good snack that fits perfect with your sweet tea, give this recipe a try, give us some feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!